In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop a file upload in progress on Google Drive. We've all been there. You accidentally start uploading a massive file, or maybe you just change your mind. Whatever the reason, knowing how to halt an upload can save you time and data. To begin with, let's get familiar with the layout you'll see when an upload is in progress on Google Drive. When you start uploading a file, whether it's from your desktop or another part of Google Drive, a small window or status bar appears, typically in the bottom right corner of your screen. This upload box is key because it shows the progress of your ongoing uploads, including file names and size, along with a little progress bar that fills up as your file uploads. Now, to stop an upload, what you'll want to do is locate this upload status box. It's a small pop-up window, easily visible as long as you're on the Google Drive page. If you have several files being uploaded simultaneously, you'll see each file listed separately within this window. This visual display gives you a snapshot of what's happening in real time, and it's here you'll take action to stop the upload. Once you've found the upload status box, the next step is to identify the specific file you want to cancel. It's important to remember that each file will have its own progress bar next to it. To make this decision easier, double-check the name and progress of the file you wish to stop uploading. Next, take a closer look at the options available next to the file's progress bar in the status box. You'll see a small X or a button labeled Cancel located right next to the file name or directly by the progress indicator. This is what you'll use to interrupt the upload process. At this point, simply click on the X or Cancel icon. This action is straightforward and doesn't require any confirmation message in most cases. Once you click the Cancel option, the upload process for that specific file is immediately halted. It's a quick and efficient way to manage your uploads and maintain control over how your data is being transmitted. You'll notice the file disappears from the upload status box, confirming that you've successfully stopped the upload. And that's it. That's how you can easily stop a file upload that's in progress on Google Drive. Whether you're managing multiple uploads or just want to halt a single file, this method is simple and effective. Thank you for watching, and if this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, take care.